fittings. So, quick update to what's going on. The vlog, if you like. I think it's probably the second vlog I've ever done, if that's what they're even really called. But anyway, currently on my way, drop wheels, Corvette wheels, off to be polished. So they're all nice and shiny for Oh So Retro next weekend. Because I'm too lazy to sit there with metal polish and rags and drills and things, so I have a very nice gentleman 15 minutes up the road that can stick them in a machine and make them all nice and shiny. So they're off to have that done, which means, as you can probably guess, there's no wheels on the Corvette because it's currently with Mr. Kendall, the car wizard, to have its new differential fitted. So again, I can go to Oh So Retro, about 300-mile round trip, without a whining diff and without squeaking UJs, and with any luck, at slightly better or lower revs at motorway speeds. I'm not entirely sure what the ratio on the existing diff is, but the one that's going in is a 287, I think, which would have been standard fitment for the autos of that year. So hopefully it will bring the revs down to a slightly more sensible level, although it's still got the old it's still got the old turbo 350 3-speed gearbox in it, so it's still not going to bring it down a huge amount until such time as I can afford to go for the later 4-speed 700R4, which will give me the 4-speed sort of overdrive type box. But for now, I'll just be happy without a whining diff and squeaking universal joints. So that's what's going on there. Wheels be made shiny, diff be made less squeaky. The Land Rover has got a horrendous oil leak. I believe, I haven't really investigated properly, but I believe where I crushed the oil filter trying to get it off, that it may perhaps have started to have made a weak spot, which has sprung a leak when it's under pressure of the engine running. So I have a different tool, so I will get hopefully that oil filter off, drain out whatever remaining bit of oil is in there, which won't be a lot, and that'll have a second oil change, because it had one a few months ago, sort of 400 or 500 miles ago, just because I had no idea when it'd last have an oil change. So that's sort of a bit of a flush through and a secondary oil change with a new filter. This time it's had a fuel filter, it's had an air filter, so this will be fresh oil filter, and I will also at the same time replace all the oils
29 minutes past 6 over now to Johnny Ratner.
Let's get rid of the traffic report, in the transfer box, the gearbox, the diffs and what have you. So that will hopefully be all nicely serviced, other than the cam belt, which is next on the list to do once the Corvette is back, or a month or so later. My washing machine has gone wrong, so that's next on the list after the Corvette is back. But yeah, just a quick update. I'm still in the Focus. The new car has been ordered. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, so you'll have to wait and see. I will do a little collection caper video in the early hours of the morning when I drive up to Leeds in probably about a month or so when it arrives. But the order has been put in, so new car coming, and all my other vehicles hopefully working, apart from the motorbike, which I've put up on a lift, but that's as far as it's got so far. It's on the list. You can't rush these things. I've only had it 18 months. You can't rush these things. So yeah, little update. If you want to know what happens next, what's going on, more stuff, more Randall, who's Randall? Hopkirk and Randall deceased. Oh no, that's the same. Anyway, yeah, if you want to know what else is going on and more of my insane ramblings and waffling and general weirdness, like, subscribe, share, comment, do hokey cokey, whatever. And I will see you in a future video. But what I will do is leave you with a friend's burnout from a meet the other night. Ta-da! I can't see.